Nikola and I'm the owner of Tehnoguma Skopje. Tehnoguma is a family-owned business that mainly produces rubber products, and we have a CNC machines and for the toolings of our needs. I will start why we actually got the system. If there is any problem with the electricity, we wouldn't even notice it, because now we have the batteries and our machines won't stop, and our production as well. As an example, we were doing a mold that was running around 30 hours of machining, and in the last hour or so there was a power outage and our machine damaged badly the tool, so we had to not redo the whole, but we need to repair it and redo the machining, and that costs a lot of money. So a friend of ours told us about the Sigen and the benefits that he has with this system. Then it was a no-brainer to invest in it. We actually added the batteries as well because we can manage our power peak bills, and also we can work as well off-grid. We are also really excited about the AI features on the application. We have tested it a little bit and we've already seen some of the benefits of it. We are managing to limit the power peak bill for now for at least 50%, and we are still new. I think that we'll manage to get it even lower, to be honest. Till this moment we had a fixed price on the electricity, and now we are trying to get the different pricing of the electricity, because now we can benefit from it, because now we can sell electricity when the prices are high, and we can charge the batteries when the prices are low. So yeah, we are trying to utilize on that thing again. We had a really pleasant, let's say, experience with all of this, with the installing and stuff. As I said, it was really easy. So I hope that people who view this video will see the benefits that I got from this system that I never considered before my friend telling me so.